Okay. Hi guys. This is the Doña Remedios Beach Resort. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay at Doña Remedios Beach Resort in my beach attire today. The staffs are cleaning here now. Yes. Also, for my fashion show. Ah, maybe you can. Yes. Look at the. This is the Doña Remedios Beach Resort. It's now going to low tide. The beach. Some have. There are some stones. We can get that stones later. Our cottages here. Cabana cottages. Cabana cottages. Bamboo Cabana cottages, and there is a new cottage here built.
Ay, kanang musik. Nah.
Beautiful. New construct. Still constructing the new cottages. We have the talisay tree, small. Talisay tree. It's good for talisay tree. It gives what's this? It gives us, a sunlight. The guard house is this. I'm going fashion show the beach. Very good. They are cleaning the stuff. Parhan, the stuff is cleaning here. Ano, naalagi siya yung ani pa. Pero laki na siya. Oo. Matubo lang siya, no? Matubo lang siya. Oh, wait, naisumpod na siya. Stop are cleaning. Very good, you are cleaning. Kasi naabutan ko sila.
Thank you.
And i-maintain yun. Ang resort gani
Yes, no.
is maintain the cleanliness, the beauty. Para sa kagwapo ni mo. Ang resort, i-maintain lang yun siya clean and mas lalo siyang pagandahin. Cleanliness lang man, maintain ang cleanliness. Ang gwapo ni, pwede na nila matulugan diri apa, kay naanay kuan.
Yes, ma'am.
Nagtrapal. Wala nag-tent diri
Sa ulan.
no? Okay, magkuan. It is already a tent. Trapal para dili ba sa libo man good rain is. Kaana naman good siya no ang iyang roofing ba. Sulod ang
ulan.
tubig oh. Check po kay anytime na amang ko'y magpasok ng mga guests, at least ready na ang mga cottages. Modyo ninyong i-check. Lalo na pag nandito si Doña Remedios Beach Resort. There are Kobo. Our kubo, bamboo kubo house. It's all nice here. This is the first kubo. This is a lucky plant. There is a plant here. Oh, look at this talisay. It is a beautiful talisay tree. You can make a tree house here, a cottage house here. Look at this big talisay. It's beautiful. It's so nice. There are umbrella tables. Anong gagawin dito? Dapat cottage na yun. Table man sana dito. Table tapos may atip. Para magamit ni siya. Yan si Doña Remedios. There are mga bantings na mo, new bantings here. The Doña Remedios Beach Resort. Oh my God. That is the big stones coming from the beach that we gotta get out and put it here. That stones. Salbabida. We have salbabida here. Conrad salbabida here, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all. Thanks all for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. Welcome to Doña Remedios Beach Resort. Thanks for all watching, guys. Love you all.